Splosh! It'd be super to have someone to splash with. Hiss! Bliss! Miss!
Excuse me, everyone. I'd better tidy that up.
Mess!
Miss! We missed it! Kiss!
Foam alert!
Turn the tap off.
Funny, there is no tap. Need to turn it off.
What happened?
Well, we got ill, made a hill, told, fell, found a doll, hit a bell, made a mess, heaved a miss, had a kiss.
Saw that stuff, turned it off. But
All's well that ends well.
Terrific.
Alphablocks! Ah.
Stamp!
Stamp,
Stamp, stamp, stamp all around. Let's stamp our letters on the ground.
Terrible tricks these pranks will do, eh? Stop before they happen to you. Unbelievable! Alphaland is ruined. We need a plan. Unbelievable!
Ah.
Plank!
I said a plan, not a plank.
Right then, rascals, walk the plank.
A pirate ship, my favourite prank.
Oh, I wish I could pull a stunt like that. Terrific idea, you! Oh. No sausages!
Did someone say sausages?
Did someone say no? Stunt!
Ah. Stunt? What's a stunt? Ah!
Stink!
I'm A, I stink of smelly socks.
Stomp!
I'm stomping with the Alphablocks.
Stamp!
Stamp, stamp, stamp the letter A.
Drunk!
Watch me surf on elephant spray. Ah, I've lost my nose. Well, goodbye then. Ah, what a relief to be A again.
Alphablocks!
Whoa, the sea? Where did that come from?
Surfing is such
Fun! What are we going to do now? We can't swim out to sea. Phooey! This could be a catastrophe. Unless the letters can help us. Dolphin! Letter fishing in the sea is such fun. Whoop, whoop, whoopee! Where
Tally-ho, travellers!
How many letters did you get?
Did you find the whole alphabet? 24, 25. We're one letter short.
Too bad. I hoped it would make this tea party a bit more toe-tapping.
Which letter is missing? Oh. Which letter? Z. We've got the whole alphabet in one bag. Every word under the sun. Phenomenal! Whoopee!
Tip-top! Now that's what I call a tea party.
Alphablocks!
Teedly-um-tum-tum-tum-tum. Tea for two. Time for a top-up, Tiny Tea.
Stop! Something strange is happening.
Stink!
What's that smell?
Tell you what, it smells fishy to me. Think! Think, 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 stink! Think, 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 sink! Think, 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 think. Invisible ink! We think we know what's going on. P, please pop in.
What's the plan?
Pop in the puddle, P. And S, send for the others. We think it's time we had some fun.
I must say, this is fun.
Pink. No.
Shh. It's incredible being invisible.
But I will not in...
Shh.
Shrink. Tea, anyone?
Alphablocks!
Oh.
Stub. What does stub mean?
Terrible. I stubbed my toe.
Sorry.
Oh. Tub. Stub.
Sorry.
Tag. Stag.
Sorry.
Top. Stop.
Sorry.
Today had better get a lot better.
Simple. I'll just slot in here.
Oh. Lost. Terrific. Nothing happened. My teapot. You've lost it.
Sorry.
I was having the best day ever. The best. Best. The best thing would be if I could start this whole day again. Tea, tiddly-um-tum-tum-tum-tum. No tea. Oh. And a tom-tiddly... Wait a minute. Where's my teapot?
I just popped in.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh. Pots. My teapot. 100 teapots. Thank you, S. This has been the best day ever.
We
can laugh, ha-ha. We can sing, la-la-la-la.
We can make anything.
Hold my hand.
Make a magical land.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the owl?